1,307 miles of a 2020 Black Stardust Fade Street Glide Special CVO. It's got a few things on it. When they got the highway pegs on there, everything is in that really cool satin color instead of chrome. Goes really nice with the Stardust Fade. It's got docking hardware and a passenger Sissy bar. Pretty much everything else is stock, I believe. It's in really nice shape. I mean, come on, it only has 1,300 miles on it. Sounds really good with the stock exhaust too. Of course, the hardware on it is the Kahuna Collection satin finish, and it does have the heated grips. Of course, it comes stock with that. But this thing, it's one sharp bike, really great shape. Come on in before it's gone. I know I say it a lot. Get in here and take a test ride today.